Hey everybody, I'm Chef Mom stepping in for Chef Dad while he is recovering, and today we got our holiday prime rib.
This is a bone-in prime rib. It's been seasoned for 24 hours, and we're gonna put more seasoning on the bald spot and then put it on the smoker. This is Chef Dad smoked salt, garlic, thyme, pepper, rosemary. So I'm just gonna cover up this patch here. Now I gotta get the smoker going. I'm adding competition pellets to the back of the smoker. It's below zero, so I'm gonna help get the smoker going, and I'll show you how. This prime rib is gonna take 5 to 6 hours to cook at 250 degrees. It's already smoking because I helped it get it going. We're gonna wait for the smoke to get going and then put in the prime rib. We're gonna use this pan to catch the juice from our prime rib to make the au jus. Set it on the top rack. I put the prime rib on the top rack so it's more away from the heat, so it gets more smoke. And now I'm gonna put the rack in there. It should be done in about 5 hours. We'll see you guys when we check it. It's been a while since we put on the prime rib, and we're gonna take a look at it. The temperature's 260 right now. Probably a couple more hours longer. We're trying to get we're trying to get an internal temp of 115 degrees.
Our prime rib has now reached 115, so we're gonna go snatch it out of the smoker, bring it in, and let it rest under this lovely sheet of tin foil. Let's go. Freeze our butts off. Whoosh. All right, I'm gonna do what Chef Dad does and just grab it out of the smoker. Hopefully I don't burn myself. We'll be back for all those juices. All right. I'm gonna let it rest. We're gonna let this rest for 20 minutes and then we'll stick it in the oven. And in the meantime, if you guys wanna see the au jus in the future, let us know in the comments. It has rested for at least 20 minutes. Now we're gonna take this off. You can see we transferred it into a lovely pan to continue collecting the drips, and it fits better in our oven. So now we're gonna stick it in there, get some good color on it until we're satisfied with the color and the internal temp. So let's move it over. Okay, our prime rib is done, so I'm gonna pull it on out. You can hear it and see it. It is beautiful. Perfectly seasoned and crusted. Now we're gonna let it hang out and rest a little bit more, and then we'll come back and cut it up. It has rested. Now we're gonna move it over to our cutting board, and I have never done this before, so if it looks clunky, learn from me. All right, so now we're gonna cut the twine off. Twine is off. Now I'm gonna cut the bone. It's already been pre-cut, so I'm just gonna finish it off. Beautiful ribs. All right, so I'm gonna go right down the middle so we can see what the beautiful inside looks like. Looks pretty good to me. Beautiful prime rib, Chef Dad style. This time, I get to test it first. That just melts in your mouth. Normally when you have prime rib, it's cold because it's at the end of a buffet line around the holidays. It's not satisfying, it's not juicy, it's a little dry. This is the complete opposite of all of that. It's juicy, it's perfectly done, the flavor is there, the crust is amazing. You can taste the smokiness, you can see the smoky layers in there. It's just amazing. Chef Dad picked this video for you. YouTube picks this video for you. Don't forget to like, click, subscribe over here, and we'll see you next time.